Do you want to know how to use function notation in 2 steps? Well, stick to the end and you'll see how. Alright, so let's consider the function f of x equals x squared plus x minus 1. And we want to find f of 2, f of negative 1, f of negative t, and f of y plus h. When we use function notation, the first step is replace every x term with what's in the f of x brackets, and when you sub in, you need to use brackets. So this looks like f of 2 equals brackets 2 squared plus brackets 2 minus 1. F of negative 1 equals negative 1 in brackets squared plus in brackets negative 1 minus 1. F of negative t equals in brackets negative t squared plus in brackets negative t plus 1. And f of y plus h equals brackets y plus h squared plus brackets y plus h minus 1. We need to use brackets, otherwise we won't be able to use order of operation correctly. So step 2, expand any powers using algebra rules and simplify like terms. So f of 2 becomes 4 plus 2 minus 1 equals 5. Okay. So f of negative 1 becomes 1 minus 1 minus 1 equals minus 1. If we did not use brackets, we wouldn't have handled the minus 1 squared properly, which is a very common mistake. F of negative t becomes t squared minus t plus 1. So again, when you're having negatives, you need to use those brackets, otherwise you'll get those wrong. And f of y plus h becomes y squared plus 2yh plus h squared plus y plus h plus 1, where we just used the perfect square rule for algebra brackets. So that's how easy it is to use function notation. Did this help you? Make sure to comment below what you want to see future videos on. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on bell notifications, smash that like button, and share the gift of maths. I'll see you Wednesday.